A decoy or deflection is a tactic where you try to make an opponent's piece move to a specific square. Usually, you offer one of your pieces as a sacrifice, like your queen, rook, or bishop, so your opponent captures it. The goal isn't to win that piece immediately, but to put the opponent's piece in a bad spot, where it can be easily attacked with a double check, a fork, or even led to a checkmate. If you want to learn what a chess fork is exactly, and how to use it to win pieces, watch the video in the top right. Simply put, you lure an opponent's piece into an exposed position so you can capitalize on it. In this video, we will explore two distinct methods for executing a deflection. Within this specific tactic, we are playing with the black pieces and utilize a single piece to mislead our adversary. We intentionally sacrifice that particular piece to compel the enemy to relocate to a highly vulnerable position, thereby opening the path to deliver a check or even to capture a crucial piece. Let's take a look at how it works step by step. Black moves their bishop to lure the white queen. This is not a direct attack, it's a clever decoy. The white queen captures the bishop, but she falls into the trap and leaves the king completely unprotected. The black queen captures the pawn on square b2 and gives check to the king. A typical simple diversion. We sacrifice a piece to distract the enemy and attack the king. Now, let's look at multiple diversions. In this tactic, we use more than one piece to deceive our opponent. First, we sacrifice a piece to lure the enemy, then another, and by doing so, we manage to leave a square open to deliver a check or even win the king. Let's see how this works step by step. We move our bishop to c7, aiming to lure the black queen. The black queen then captures it, falling right into our trap, leaving the defense completely open. Our queen then rushes to e8, setting up the next crucial sacrifice. The black rook captures our queen, just exactly as we planned. We've successfully diverted it and opened the line directly to the king. Finally, we advance our rook to e8 and deliver a decisive checkmate. Use deflection and turn every move into a trap your opponent will not be able to avoid. Blackchess Academy, the best in chess education.